walk into the home. I'm showing you 60 steps ladder. Okay, I will show you from down. So it looks like this. So my city is like this. Okay, I'm showing you. It's like this. Okay, now I will show you this 60 steps ladder. Okay, it's very beautiful. Okay. So, I will show you from that down. Okay, so I just came to down. Now I will show you from there. Okay? So how it looks. So it looks like this. Okay, you can see. I will go little bit near. Okay, and I will show you. I just came from this ladder, okay, 60 steps ladder. 60 step ladder and view, beautiful view you can see, as you can see. So and this is the way of my house. So I'm going to my home. So here we go. I will show you it, okay? So tired, guys. It's very beautiful everywhere, you can see. You can see everything. Main thing about my city is that every house is made very beautiful. You can see this house, yeah, this house, and very clean also. You can see road, yeah, so clean road, yeah. So it looks like this, okay. So finally I reached to my home. So the way to my home, okay, this way. So you can see beautiful house everywhere. I came from this way. So construction is going on this area, okay. Yeah, see you on next video, guys. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.